My name is Hillary Jensen. I work at Mitch Design in Carmel, Indiana, and currently a senior dealership designer there. I attended the very first summer forum in 2008. The summer youth program was really what provided my assurance that this is the college that I wanted to attend and the program I wanted to be a part of, and so that was the only college I applied to, and thankfully it worked out for me. Going into the camp, my intention was gaining more understanding of the design industry if it was something that I was going to declare my major. So one of the major standout things that we did was tour the design firms in Indianapolis, which really spoke to me, gaining a better understanding of the different types of design and really what the industry had to offer post-graduation. During the camp, we had deadlines with our projects, and so that was the first time outside of a high school environment that was implemented. We did stay in the dorms, and it prepared me for what to expect, what campus life was going to be like. We also did a variety of projects that really prepared me for what to expect in the design program here at Ball State. Definitely set myself apart from others joining as freshmen, especially knowing some of the teachers already too, so that was another thing that was a huge benefit. That camp really shaped my career path. I would say if you are interested to dive right in and do it. I mean, I am a testament to how it's benefited my career path, my academic path as well, and it was definitely worth it.